Welcome to Book Review in a Minute. Today, we're delving into Margin of Safety, Risk-Averse Value Investing Strategies for the Thoughtful Investor by Seth Klarman. This sought-after book provides invaluable insights into risk-averse value investing, focusing on capital preservation and consistent returns. Klarman stresses the importance of the margin of safety concept, buying securities at a substantial discount to their intrinsic value to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. He emphasizes market inefficiencies, the dangers of speculation, and the need for disciplined, long-term investment. The book also covers risk management, emphasizing the importance of avoiding losses while making gains. Klarman offers practical advice on identifying and mitigating various risks, from market risk to company-specific risks. Ultimately, Margin of Safety is essential reading for serious investors, offering timeless principles and pragmatic advice for navigating financial markets with a focus on safety and returns. Thank you for tuning into Book Review in a Minute. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and insightful book reviews.